In this video, we will be giving you tips on how to set up and fly the EZ Flight Multi-Drone. To get the drone into flight mode, you first need to separate the drone from the controller. Then, press the power button located in the middle of the drone. You'll see the lights turn on and flash quickly. Now, you need to flip the drone over so the propellers are facing towards the ground. When this is done, you'll see the lights start to flash more slowly. Now, you are ready to turn on the controller. To turn the controller on, simply press and hold the center button until the indicator lights located on the side light up. When the controller is connected to the drone and it's ready for takeoff, the drone light will go from flashing to steadily on. Each time the drone has an impact or crashes, you may need to restart the drone and controller. Each time this is done, the drone will automatically recalibrate itself. Just make sure when you turn the power on, the drone is on a flat surface. When flying the drone, use the controller to make the drone go forward by tilting your hand down, or backward by tilting your hand up. When you move your hand left or right, this will give you sideline control. The joystick on the controller will make the drone take off or land by pressing up or down. This also controls the altitude. Pressing left or right will turn the whole drone in that direction. To use the fan function, make sure the drone is physically connected to the controller. Then, power on the controller first, and then turn the drone on. Use the throttle control on the joystick to control the fan speed. You can also turn the drone light on or off at this point by short pressing the controller's power button.